My definition of empowerment is openness, flexibility, and choice to be in the present moment. That choice means the freedom to be in the present moment. What about you? What is your definition of empowerment? Let's take a moment and have a brief meditation. Let's say you're busy in the world, you've got a business, you have to make decisions. It's all on you. Maybe you have a family, maybe you're the sole income, maybe you've had a spat with a friend or your partner or a friend, or something is on your mind. How are you going to be empowered in this moment? So the first step is knowing you want to find now. It means closing your eyes if that's easier, leaving them open if you can do it, and knowing that your power comes in now. It won't come in your framing of the problem. It comes in letting that go. So let's just feel where your feet are, where your toes are, where your bottom is, and let's breathe into this moment. This moment, this moment is calling you. You now know that joy and freedom and flexibility come only from this moment. They do not come from anticipating and trying to control the future. This moment, this moment, this moment, this moment. Breathe with me. You didn't make your breath is given to you. The next moment is given to you. Are you willing to receive the next moment? In the silence, in the emptiness, in the letting go of your definition of the problem is everything you've ever wanted. Try it, won't you? And let me know. It's easy. It's easier than you thought. Just disengage for one moment to that story. Come back to me here. And in the presence of you and I, check back into the temperature on that story. Did it not lessen a little bit? Are you more here now? Come back for more if you like this moment, and please